Struggling with Quarry tiles, Edinburgh's cleaning solution. Quarry tiles are built to last, but their biggest flaw? They absorb dirt like a sponge. Scrubbing endlessly won't get them looking truly clean, and harsh chemicals only make it worse. Our deep cleaning methods pull out years of grime without harming the tiles. And once they're fresh again, we seal them so they stay cleaner for longer. If you're fed up with the constant battle of keeping them clean, let's fix it today. Give your floors the care they deserve. Call 07533 873 476 or visit our website today.